Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. To connect to the Wi-Fi network on our watch, we need to first go to settings. So press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. If it's turned off, enable the Wi-Fi and it will start searching for the nearby networks. And once you find the network you want to connect to, tap on it. And as you can see, that's why I brought my phone right here, because if you don't have a phone that is paired with your watch, you won't be able to enter the password because you can do it directly on the watch. That's why you need a phone. I forgot to mention that. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can enter the password. And then we can tap on connect, and as long as the password is correct, the watch should connect to our network. So let's wait. And here we have it. Now it says connected. And you can connect to multiple networks, and usually watch will automatically try to pick one with the best reception or best signal strength, basically. And how it works is basically it saves the networks on the watch, and whenever you're in the vicinity of those networks and they have the strong signal, it will try to connect to them automatically, as long as the Wi-Fi is enabled and you have the networks saved. Okay, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.